Hello friends, Namaste. Very good evening from Bitterify. See, I was sharing with you the results of various companies as they were getting declared. The Wipro results were declared by the company yesterday after the market hours, but I could not present it before the market hours because I was doing the analysis of, I have already shared the analysis of Mindtree and Infosys. So I'm able to present the results only after the market hours today. So let us see the results. As you know that I'm following a particular format, a particular template. So let us dive into the figures. Now, when we look into the top line, the total income of the company for the financial year 2021 was 6,43,256. All figures are in millions. So 6,43,256 millions. Why I'm not converting the figures into some other like crores or rupees like that? I'm sharing the figures as they are presented, as they are shared by the company with the exchanges and the SEBI, right? So anybody who wish to check the figures, it will be easy for that person to check the figures because I'm picking the figures from their reports. So for the financial year 2021, that is last year, the total income stood at 6,43,256. For half of the year last year, it was 3,12,228. And for the current half year, it has increased from this figure to 3,92,189. Now let us see on quarterly basis. Last year, second quarter, it was 1,56,514 millions. And the current year June quarter, the current year first quarter, it is at 1,90,453 millions. And for the second quarter of the current financial year, it is at 2,01,736. So on quarter basis, it is increased from 1,90,000 to 2,01,000 millions. And on year basis, it is increased from 1,56,000 millions to 2,01,000 millions. Now, the total income on quarter basis is increased by 5.92%. And on year basis, it is increased by 28.89%. Now let us see the bottom line. So the net profit of the company for last year financial year was 1,08,680. And for the half of the year of that year, that is first two quarters of the last year, it was 48,959 millions. And for the current year two quarters, current year half year, it is 61,786 millions. Okay, and let us see the same, that is net profit on quarterly basis. For the second quarter last year, it was 24,844 millions. And for the first quarter of the current year, it is at 32,480 millions. And for the second quarter of the current year, it is at 29,306 millions. So on year basis, it is increased from 24,844 millions to 29,306 millions. And on quarter basis, it is declined from 32,480 millions to 29,306 millions. So on quarter basis, the bottom line is declined by 9.77%. And the same bottom line, that is net profit, is increased by 17.96% on year basis. Now let us see the EPS, the earnings per share of the company. For the financial year 2021, it was 19.11. And for the two quarters of that year, that is half of the year of 2021, it was 8.53. And the same is increased to current half year to 11.30. Now let us see on quarter basis. For the September quarter last year, it was 4.33. For the first quarter of the current year, it was at 5.94. And for the second quarter of the current year, it is at 5.36. So on year-on-year basis, it is increased from 4.33 to 5.36. And for the quarter-on-quarter basis, it is declined from 5.94 to 5.36. So the EPS is declined by 9.76% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 23.79% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see the margins. So let's go into the operating profit margin. So the operating profit margin for the financial year 2021 stood at 26.91%. And for the first half of last year, it was at 25.23. And the first half of the current year, it is at 24.33. So on year-on-year basis, that is last year half year and current year half year. So last year versus this year half year, it is declined from 25.23 to 24.33. Now let us see the same on quarterly basis. For the September quarter, that is second quarter last year, it was at 25.57. And for the first quarter of the current year, it was at 25.74. And for the second quarter, it was at 23.02. So on year-on-year basis, it is declined from 25.57 to 23.02. And for quarter-on-quarter basis, it is declined from 25.74 to 23.02. So the operating profit margin is declined by 10.57% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is declined by 9.96% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see the net profit margin. The net profit margin was 17.55 for the financial year 2021. And let us see that on half-yearly basis. For the first half of the last year, it was 16.30. And the first half of the current year, it is at 16.29. So it is almost at the same, it's at par. So last year, half year, it was 16.30 and declined to current half year 16.29, almost flat. Now let us see the same on quarterly basis. For the second quarter in last year, it was 16.44%. And for the first quarter of the current year, it is at 17.79%. And for the second quarter, it is at 14.90%. So on year-on-year basis, it is declined from 16.44% to 14.90%. And on quarter-on-quarter basis, it is declined from 17.79% to 14.90%. So the net profit margin is declined by 16.26% on quarter-on-quarter basis and declined by 9.35% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see how the stock price of the company has behaved or has performed for all these periods. See, the stock price of Wipro was at 416 at the end of the financial year 2021, as on 31st March 2021. And the same was as on 30th September 2020, it was 313. And as on today, this is the latest figure, and it is a real time. It is coming from Google Finance. So this is as of the close of the market today, and it has performed today. The Wipro, I don't know the results. The market took the results very positively and responded very positively, and the stock price has increased by some 6.5% or 7%. So today's stock price, the close price is 709. Now, as on September end 2020, it was 313. For the June, that is as on 30th June 2021, it was 539, and as on today, it is 709. So the stock price has increased by 31.45% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 126.48% on year-on-year basis. Now, Wipro stock price, Wipro stock is part of the Nifty IT index. Now, let us see how the Nifty IT index has performed. See, the Nifty IT index as on 31st March 2021 was at 25,980, and the same was on as on today. The same was on 30th September 2020 was 20,110, and for the first quarter, that is as on 30th September. It is as on today. As on today, the Nifty IT index is at 35,745. But for September 2020, it was 20,110. And for the June end of the current year, as on 30th June 2021, it was at 29,003. And as on today, it is at 35,745. So the Nifty IT index is increased by 23.24% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same Nifty IT index is increased by 77.74% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see, because Wipro is also part of Nifty 50. Now let us see how Nifty 50 has performed. So Nifty 50 was at 14,867 as on March 31st March 2021. The same was at 11,417 on 30th September 2020. And as on today, the Nifty is at 18,339. Basically, it is at the highest. Both Sensex and Nifty are at its high. Today, the market was very good. And as on September end 2020, it was 11,417. And on June 1, 2021, it was at 15,680. And as on today, it is 18,339. So Nifty 50 is increased by 16.96% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same is increased by 60.63% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see the comparison. That is EPS vis-a-vis stock price, Nifty IT index, and Nifty 50. See, the EPS, as we have seen, the EPS is declined on quarter-on-quarter basis by 9.76%, whereas the stock price is increased by 31.45% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the Nifty IT index is increased by 23.24%, and the Nifty 50 is increased by 16.96%. In the same way, the EPS is increased by 23.79% on year-on-year basis, and the stock price is increased by 126.48%. Now, Nifty IT index is increased by 77.74%. Nifty 50 is increased by 60.63%. So this is the analysis of Wipro results shared by the company, shared by the company yesterday after the market hours and submitted to the exchanges today. The results were declared on 13/10. Today is 14 October. So these results were submitted by the company to the exchanges today. And I'm sharing the analysis after the market hours. The market has already responded very positively today. Let us see as time goes. I think my gut feeling is there could be some kind of correction in Wipro price. So Wipro stock price. So that is it as far as Wipro's results are concerned, friends. Thank you so much for listening. And I will again share the results of other companies as they unfold. So as we end, let us see the quote of Benjamin Franklin on investment education. This is worth remembering and keeping in mind as we walk on the journey of investment and wealth management. And investment in education always pays the highest returns. So let us focus on this as we journey into the world of finance and investment. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.